There's incredible value with studying sound on a landscape. We're in the Picayune Strand State Forest. It's part of the Picayune Strand Restoration Project. Right now we're looking for the sounds emanating from animals, a total log of the sounds they make and how loud they make them over a period of time. That's a wildlife acoustics automated recording unit. It is a unit that helps us record sounds of this environment up to about 250 meters in radius. Right now we're looking for the sounds emanating from wildlife, but it will capture wind, rustling leaves, airplanes, and driving cars on the road. We've been able to document the full transition of the sound producing wildlife out here from dry season to wet season. And it's going to provide a valuable data set to how communities respond to a major environmental change.